Mind your motherfucking business, ain't nothing you gotta see. How you all up in my shit when you got more problems than me? Yeah, I'm cool, but you don't wanna see that other side of me. And my niggas mobbing depot, I'm a fucking prodigy. I know that you've been in.
So guys, I made it here. This is usually like where you stand, and we're literally in the middle of Times Square right now.
Oh, you gotta step over here.
Hey, how you doing? I know like everybody here, but what?
Step in. Oh, you own.
Y'all were listening. That's okay.
Yeah, because he said step over here, so I thought he was saying.
But they give us these like wristbands, and this is security. He's gonna tell us a whole bunch of nonsense.
Alright. When we go inside the building, we go do an inspection.
Over there, they check like everything in your bag, drugs, bombs, all sorts of nonsense.
Little bag. Cell phones. You guys are gonna be allowed to keep your cell phones inside the studio, but they will be active.
Interviewing some girl to maybe say question. Those wristbands are for people who don't get paid. These wristbands are for people who do get paid. LA. Yes.
Okay. Let me just make sure, because Lauren has to I'll be right back.
Oh, you handing me your bag? I'm good.
Oh, you're gonna have to take that sweater out, maybe?
I'm gonna have to. Ooh, you guys making me work.
Nothing really in it.
I got you.
It's just my wallet. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming. All right, I'm gonna just leave this here. I'm vlogging. Okay, so this is my fit. This is the bathroom. I have my lip gloss from NYX. I fucking love them so much. This is our little paper that we fill out to just like let them know, you know, that we are okay with being on camera. And this is, they take your bag, so you give them this when you're ready to go. But yeah, this is how I'm looking. I got the sneakers because sometimes we stand and I don't have time, honey, for it. Yes! Stephanie, what you did affects Kayla. Come here. I'm vlogging.
Are you? Hey, what's going on? Live from Viacom. That's right, MTV. Watch. We need the ratings.
Read the
Tell our friends. Yeah,
He's
watch.
cool.
I'm very cool. Down. Urban.
Get ready. Show skin.
Says please enable cookies or disable private browsing.
That's how long it's been. Take Rihanna break by so. Teen mom after show. Y'all, I'm finna do a beat.
You guys can put your phone away for me, and we're gonna do a couple more things here. We're gonna beg some of you guys to be action shots.
Music. You guys, we're here with, oh, I forgot your name. Lino. Damn, I'm retarded. I literally just learned his name. But he does Nessa's hair and probably, who else is hair? Who else is hair?
I've done Nikki Hilton. I guess I've done a couple of people.
And he did mine because definitely the back of my head was all ridiculous. And he was like, I'ma just, so I got some little wonder hands on me. But yeah, I wanted you guys to see him. Yeah. There's her hand. That's her hair. Bye. And then Guy is here. Guy is little. Bye, guys. Bye. Nessa. He's saying bye. Anybody saying bye? Camera. Oh, we can do it now. I am right now. I'm doing it right now.
What's happening right now? What you gotta say?
You gotta put that camera away, that's what I'm saying.
I'm recording in your lobby. What you gonna do about it?
We ain't recording.
So that was it, guys. Oh my god, this is crazy. But yeah, we get these little envelopes of cash money. Like, I'm serious. I couldn't record them giving it to me, but there's some money in there. So yeah, now we're gonna go outside, and that's that. Oh, Mo's here. How many minutes? Just that.
Another one.
And we out. Just like that.
We the best
I know that
music.
shit. His name is also
DJ Khaled.
I don't know if you could take it.